If the pressure is too high, air can be deflated by pressing and holding the air release button. The machine stops automatically when the set pressure value is reached. Battery compressor with 3 levels. The device remembers the pressure setting from the last use. International products have separate terms, are sold from abroad, and may differ from local products, including fit, age ratings, and language of product, labeling or instructions. Battery compressor with plus buttons for exact presetting of the desired pressure. The display shows the actual and set value at the same time. The compressor reaches a pressure of up to 11.1 bar and has a decompression function. The hose is 0.65 m long, with built-in LED to illuminate the environment. Includes various adapters.